Leave the dogs alone.
Food. Mama.
What?
I want food.
They have enough food. Do they have food? Oh, okay, no, they don't. Here, you want to give them food? You want to give them food?
No, Daddy. Food.
You going to put food in their bowl?
Huh?
That's enough. Hold it up. Okay, that's good. Now put some in this one. Put some in this bowl. Give some to Zoe. Zoe needs more. That's good. Will you give them more?
Huh?
Do you think that's enough?
Yes. Mama.
A little more? Oh, that's enough. Yeah, that's enough. Good judgment. Good judgment. Good job.
Good job.
Good job.